our exhaust fan curb. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 20.5 inches. A depth, also 20.5 inches. A length between the left and right flashing. We have 26.5 inches in length, front to back, also 26.5 inches. The height of the flashing, we have 20 inches. Coming to the top, we have an opening of 18.5 inches in length by 18.5 inches in depth. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.